Hello, good morning. Question number 9. Question number 9 is related to once again same, that is mean, median, mode calculation in case of ungrouped data. The question is like this: find out arithmetic mean, median and mode. Right, this was the question for the find out the arithmetic mean, median and mode. The variables are like this: x, 8, 12, 15, 20, 25, and a frequency like this: 3, 4, 9, 7, 3. Now, as I said that in case of computation of the median, what we need to do? We need to first verify that for the case of median, is the variables are in ascending or descending order. That you have to verify. Now you see here 8, 12, 15, 20, 25 means what? It was increasing in order. Which order? Increasing order. So if it is increasing order, then no need to arrange the variables. You write the same as it is. This was the solution. X, 8, 12, 15, 20, 25. 20, next one is 25. Next, use the frequency: 3, 4, 9, 7, 3. Now what we have to do is, now you need to multiply the entire numbers like this. 8 3s are, first you have to find CF instead of FX. You find the first CF. CF you have to find, then you need to find the remaining number. CF means what? 3. As it is 3, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 9 is how much? 16. 16 plus 7 is how much? 23. 23 plus 3, 26. If you find this total n equal to also 26. 3 plus 7, 7 plus 9, 16 plus 7, 23 plus 3, 26. Now you find the f into x. For this, CF is required for median purpose and fx is required for which purpose? Mean purpose, right? So 8 into 3, fx, f into x, 3 into 8, 24, 12 into 4, 48, then 15 into 9, 135, 20 into 7, 140, 25 into 7, 3, 75. Now you need to add the numbers. Which number? 24 plus 48 plus 135 plus 140 plus 75. So it was 422. So 422 is the fx. Now what you have to find now? You need to find the first arithmetic mean, median and mode. Now I will do one by one. So first one is arithmetic mean. What is the formula for arithmetic mean? Like this: summation of f into x divided by n. What is summation of f into x? 422. Divided by what is n here? 26. So 422 divided by 26. So the answer is like this: 16.23. 16.23 is the answer. Then you find the which one? Median now. The median is like this. The size of n plus 1 is divided by 2 item. Right? So n plus 1 by 2, that is size of n plus 1 by 2 means how much? 420. N is how much? 26. 26 plus 1 divided by 2. So the size of 26 plus 1 by 2 means how much? 13.5. Where the 13.5 comes here? See here now in the CF. 3 up to 3 is here, up to 7, then more than 7 to 16. The value is here. So this 13.5 comes in the 16. More than 7 to 16. Its variable is how much here? Variable is 15. So 15 is the median. So this was your x bar, that is mean, and this one is your median. Then what is the formula for mode? Mode is highest frequency variable. Is that possible to find that one, that type? As yesterday we saw the two problems. In those cases the highest number is repeated. Then it is not possible to find the mode. It is called a mode is struck or mode is ill-defined. So we are using that 3 median minus 2 mean formula when the highest number is the more than once. In this question, highest frequency 3, 4, 7, 9, 3. Highest is 9. Highest 9 number is there. So only one time the highest is there. So there is no problem of finding the mode by using this formula. Which formula? Mode equal to the variable having highest frequency. Which is highest frequency here? The 9 is the highest frequency in the problem. See, highest frequency is 9. Its variable is how much? 15. So 15 is your mode. So this was the solution all about the solution of mean median mode. So I will explain you first little bit regarding this mode. Yesterday what we did, that 3 median minus 2 mean, that is in case of only if the highest frequency is more than 1 is there, more than once it is given. If it is difficult to find the mode because of the highest frequency is more than one time is there, then you need to use the 3 median minus 2 mean. If it is not like that, only highest frequency only one time is there, then you only use the variable is having highest frequency. This was the solution of your calculation of mean median mode. Now I will assign you one question, then that you have to copy and you send the answer to me. Now the question is like this. Question number 10 to all of you. Remember that I am assigning you the question number 10. Question number 10 is given to you like this. Find out the mean median mode for the following. So variable is like this: 15, 18, 19, 21, 23, 27. Frequency 3, 4, 9, 8, 10, last 9. Now in this question, if you see that the highest frequency is 10, only one time is there, its variable is 23, that was your mode. So again you have to use this formula now. No need to use the 3 median minus 2 mean formula. I hope that it is clear to each one of you. So this was the question for you to solve the question and send the scan copy to me. Clear? So this is all about your calculation of mean or median mode, in which case, in case of discrete series, or remember discrete series, or else we call it is ungrouped data. In case of ungrouped data, clear? So this was the kind of solution. Now immediately I will present in front of you all the next method. Which method? The method is called group data. Remember group data, or else we call it is continuous series data. Right? Which data? Group data or continuous series data. Now immediately I will start that method. Which method? The method is called. Okay, before that let me clear one question. That is sometimes it may be given in the problem. That is calculation of missing frequencies. We call it as missing frequencies. Now I will write down question on the board. That question is based on, before to go to the next method. Which method? Continuous series. Let me to start you with one question based on the missing values, that we call it as missing figures, right? Missing figure calculations. So just I will send you the next question. Next question means calculation of missing frequency immediately after this class. Thank you. Hello. Good morning once again. Question number 11, if you see the board side, the question is ready for you. That is question number 11. What about this question number 11? What actually this question number indicates? Find out the missing value for the following, whose mean is 31.87. Means by using the mean, that is 31.87 given in the problem, you need to find this missing variable. In the x side, fifth number is missing here, that is question mark given. You need to find this number, simple, right? Then I will go with the solution. How to solve this? X, then F. Write the X, F as is 12, 20, 27, 33. This one is missing in the X. So let me assume that X is the missing variable. Right? Let's X is the missing variable. The last number is 54. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. Then frequency 1, 1, 8, 16, 48, 90, 30, 8. F into X. Which one? F into X. 12 8 are 96. 20 into 16, 320. Then find the 27 into 48. 27 into 48. 1296. It comes 1296. Then do the same thing. 33 into how much? 90. 33 into 90 is 29, 70. 29, 70. And X into 30. Right? X into 30 is 30X. Then 54 into which one? 54 into 8. The value is 432. How much? 432. Now what you have to do is, this one is the total of n, and you find the total of this one. What you have to do now, instead of this one, 30x, add the remaining, that is 96 plus 320 plus 1296 plus 2970 plus 432, leave this one. So if you add other numbers, because these are the pure numbers, add the pure number, leave the 30x. Except 30x, if you count the total, it comes to 5,114. 5,114. Then plus this 30x. Don't add 30 in this total. Don't add 30 in the total. Now you find the frequency. Frequency total is how much? That you have to add one by one. 8, 16 up to 8. Its total is 200. This total is 200. Now, why I did this fx only? Because they given the int is here what? Mean is given. Which number is given in the problem? Mean is given. So you need to use the mean formula. For mean formula we need the fx. Now we'll go with the solution. Below this that you have tried. X equal to summation of fx divided by n. What is summation of x bar is how much? 31.87. What is your fx? This total. 5114 plus 30x whole divided by 200. You multiply now. So 31.87 into 200 equal to 5114 plus 30x. So this one I shift this side, and then it comes a multiplication. Division number comes this side is what? It is a multiplication, and this number left as it is. 5114 plus 30x is remaining same. Now you multiply these two. Which one? 31.87 into 200. It was 6374. 6374 equal to this number as it is same. 5114 plus 30x. Now you need to do that now. 5114 shift this side. Means 6374 minus 5114 equal to 30x. This 5114 shifted this side, plus into this side is minus. Now you subtract these two. Subtract means what you will get? You will get 1260 is the difference. These two 1260 equal to difference of these two 1260 equal to 30x. Therefore 30 shift this side. 1260 divided by 30 equal to x. Therefore x equal to left hand side. X equal to, you will get 1260 divided by 30 equal to 42. So that missing variable is 42. So this was all about the solution of, if the variable is missing, if the x is missing, if x is missing, you have to find like this, right? So what I am saying is, if the x is missing, you find this one. Now in the next column I will show you, if it is missing in the frequency, x is given full variables, but the missing is in the frequencies, then how to find same method? Instead of this x, the variable comes example 42 here, and the 30 is missing example, this was called f. So I will show that one immediately now. Easy to, I think, I hope that the solution is clear step by step. You solve the question by referring this solution, then you tell me if any question comes to you, difficulties. Then move to the question number 12 now. Which one? Question number 12. Okay. The question number 12 is like this. Calculate missing frequency for the following data in bracket mean equal to, in bracket I said that in bracket the mean, if I say that example mean is, I will tell you the mean is, if it is 17.5, right? If the mean is 17.5, what is the value for that? 17.5. Now I will go with the one by one. So x, that is start from the 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. As I said that variables are full. There is no the missing in the variable. Now the missing is in the frequency, right? Missing in the frequency. The first number is 1 frequency, next number is 3, next number is the question mark, next number is 1, last number is 5, right? So third variable frequency is missing. Which variable? Third variable frequency is missing now. Then you need to find the third variable frequency by using the same, because what they given here mean is 17.5. It means you need to find the mean formula only by using mean formula. So solution now. X 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Frequency 1, 3, 1, 3. Then this frequency is missing means we should take the f is the assumed value. That is the missing value is f only. Let me assume that letter in the exam that you have to write like this. Let the missing frequency be f. What you have to write before to solve the solution? Let the missing frequency be f. If it is missing in the frequency. Previous question, the variable missing, that is x, is missing. In that case, you have to write now. Let the missing variable is x. That you write first, then use the symbols. So I use the missing frequency means f. Next number is 1, last number is 5. So multiply the f into x, because we need the formula. We need to use the formula of mean. F into x. 1 into 5, 5. 10 into 3, 30. 15 5s are. Sorry, 15 into f, 15 f, not 15 plus f. It was multiplied. So 15 into f means 15 f. 20, 25 into 5, 125. So total this one and total this one. Now I will add this like this. 1 plus 3, 4. Leave this f. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus this f number. Remember, plus this f. Then here 5 plus 30. Leave this one. 5 plus 10, 30, 35. 35 plus 20, 55. 55 plus 125, 180 plus this 15f. So this was the basic information that we computed by using the x and f. Now you need to find use the formula. So formula x bar equal to like this. X bar equal to summation of fx divided by n. What is your mean? Mean is here 17.5 given the problem. Then what is your fx? Fx is here now. Just computed 180 plus 15f divided by what is n? N is here 10 plus f. Then simplify this one, 10 into f. This shift this one this side. So it comes to 17.5 into this one 10 plus f. What you have to write? 10 plus f equal to this answer is same as 180 plus 15 f. Now multiply 17.5 to whole this bracket, that is 17.5 to 10, 175. Plus into plus is plus. Repeat once again. 17.5 to 10 means 175. 17.5 into f means plus 17.5 f. And rest of the thing as it is in this side, right hand side. Then you interchange the numbers. Interchange the number means this was 175 here is 180. So 180 is bigger compared to 175. You shift the 175 this side. Then 15F or 17.5F first. 15F is small, shift this one this side. Now it looks like this. 17.5F minus this 15F means minus 15F equal to 180 bigger this side and 175 shift this side 175. So 17.5 minus 15 2.5 is the value. 2.5F equal to 180 minus 175 means 5. So F equal to 2.5 multiplication is here, shift this one this side. 5 divided by 2.5, then F equal to 2. That is the answer for your question. So this is all about if the frequency is missing. In the previous question what I did that